Namaste, Khusro Bitia. My name is JVN Sachin Pratap Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Journalism, Program B Journalism, 6th semester, Course Electronic Media TV Production, Session How to Render Files Suitable for Broadcast, Jyoti Vidyapith, Mahila University, Jaipur. Exporting is about compression while producing as much of the image detail as possible. By default, Premium Pro qualities of export. What that doesn't mean you export have to be slower. This best practice guide covers features in Premium Pro. Overall workflow, faster export with better previews and smart rendering of key codes if your system support it. You can also hardware acceleration for H.264 and HEVC H.265 to vary processor intensive formats. Timeline color tell the story. The teen colored line along the top of the timeline in Premium Pro indicates what happening underneath with the part of the sequence. If the line is yellow, that means your content is accelerated by the Mercury playback engine. It is red. Premium Pro is slowly using CPU processing. For example, for an After Effect composition, if the thin line is green, that means the previews have been generated for this session of your sequence. Preview creation. Premium Pro render section of your sequence. When you create a preview, which you can do by closing sequence, render effect in to out. Render is go mean creating preview file. These take a moment to generate. So do it when you are taking a break from editing. Previews can provide smoother playback, but there an extra payoff when exporting. Preview to speed up export. Premium Pro default preview of are optimized for playback, not image quality. If you select use preview in the export dialog, Premium Pro will apply the preview render file for your export. That may give you a speed boost. What you will be recomposing an already compressed file, which is not ideal for quality. You can get the best of the worlds by choosing a high quality codes for your previews. Changing preview for meaning code, rendering of codes, accelerating H.264 slash HVVC H.265 output. What the very visibility comes with a cost time. Thank you.